So today I want to recreate a look that was created by one of the special effects. Oh, come on. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be recreating a look that was created by this special effects makeup artist. She is from TikTok. I think she got famous through TikTok, and I want to create this look right here. And instead of blue, I'm gonna be using orange as my base. So let's get started. Alright, so for this look, I'm going to be using the same face paint I've used in my previous videos. So Special Effects a body paint, face and body paint by NYX, and I'm going to be using the orange color. Let me open it first so you guys can see. Right, this one. So what I will be doing is I'm going to be adding orange throughout my nose, up the bridge of my nose, oh my god, up onto my forehead, and then on my cheekbones. I'm just looking at the picture right there. So just around here, and then I'll be adding white to fill in the spots that's open. So yeah, I don't have anything on my face other than moisturizer. Moisturizer, my goodness. And then I have this double-ended brush. So I will just be adding in. This orange is actually not as pigmented as I expected to be, but that's okay. It's more of like a peachy, pinkish kind of color, if you guys can see. So now I'm gonna be adding the white for the remaining spots. I actually picked this up from the Halloween store, and this is just cream makeup. To be honest, because I just recently started doing special effects makeup, I haven't invested in getting like proper face paint. So I know like these ones from the Halloween store, they're not the greatest, especially this white cream based one. I don't know words today. It tends to get kind of chalky, so which I don't really like. Alright you guys, now that I have created the base, I'm just gonna be adding in some powder to kind of set the base, but also to get my color to pop out more. So I'm gonna be using this palette, and then also Makeup Revolution palette as well, because as you can see, even like the white, it looks very chalky. And I'm just gonna work on my eyes. I'm just adding some orange eyeshadow underneath my eye, just to kind of get the colors blended, the shadows look a little better. Now I'm just gonna be adding some eyeshadow underneath my eyes so it kind of looks more pointy, kind of like a cat eye. Is that the way to explain it? Ooh, my eyes are getting watery. Eesh. Come on, you can do it. So I'm just shading where you would normally put eyeliner. Instead of actually putting eyeliner, I'm just putting eyeshadow to just line it out. Alright, I don't know why, but this side, it came out much better than this side. And I'm slightly annoyed because they're not even. And my OCD is just like, no. You know, but it's okay. It's okay. Now I'm just gonna line out my mouth. Thank God it's even. black lipstick, also picked up from the Halloween store. So I'm just gonna be adding this into my lips, and I just gotta smudge it in. Okay, now I gotta add the fur. Is that the right way to say it? Yes, that's what we're gonna do. I'm holding my brush very lightly, and it's like barely touching my skin so I can get that proper shading in. This brush, there's a hair on it, and I added some mascara onto it, and I'm just gonna add some fake looking fur. So I realized it was kind of hard to do it with that brush. I kind of messed it up already, but everything is a learning process, right? So I'm just using just a regular eyeliner and add some fur. It's really hard when you like how it looks, and then you had to add these little things in, and then you feel like you're gonna end up ruining it.
Have you ever had a dream that you could?
So I gotta add some onto my neck as well, because I almost forgot. Alright guys, so I need to fix my nose. So I'm just gonna outline it a little bit. Triangular at the end, so I'm just gonna blend the color in like so. Actually, I'm not too upset about this look, you know, like it looks pretty good. I just gotta add the whiskers, so I'm just gonna be using the same face paint that I used as my base to draw some whiskers. All right, let's hold on. Before I add some whiskers, I should add some dots so they look like follicles, you know. There. Now I can add my whiskers. I'm scared. I think the final touches is very scary because you're at the very end of finishing this whole look, right? And you don't want to mess it up. I'm actually pretty happy with the way this looks. I'm proud of myself, you know. I'm giving myself credit. I did it. Oh, I can't swear on channel. Sorry, you guys. Got a little too excited. I'm gonna add a little bit of dots around here. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Kind of looks real, and I'm quite shocked that I did this. So this is it, and I love the details on this look. So hope you guys enjoy it. Please make sure to subscribe onto my channel and like and comment, and then turn on that notification button so you will see when I post a new video. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.